Hi guys. Oh, wow. This is later in the afternoon now, and I thought it would be a good time to sit down and explain to you guys what this video is actually about. I'll start off by saying that I am currently single. Being single and like being in quarantine and whatnot, we spend a lot of time alone, and for some people that's hard. It wasn't like I was too sad to be alone. It was just like whenever I was alone, I would get anxiety because I would feel like I would be having more fun with somebody else. I never actually appreciated the time that I spent alone. This time of being single, I have started to appreciate the time that you have with yourself and how you can better your relationship with yourself. Just enjoy like literally living your life, because I spend the most time with myself. I am myself, and so I better enjoy it, you know? I always just feel like whenever I am alone, I'm looking for the next thing, the next time I get to hang out with someone, the next person I'm gonna be with, whatever. I thought, let's not do that for a minute. Let's sit and enjoy the present. Then I got a hold of this book here. Honestly, this book is like therapy. It's like a chapter of like advice on mindfulness and how to attract better things in your life. And then after the little chapters ended, there's like an exercise. I read this chapter. It is chapter 26, and it's called Date Yourself. One of the best ways of practicing the art of self-love and genuinely looking up and admiring the person you have become over the years is by taking yourself on a date every once in a while. But I thought I would like actually take the time to pamper myself, and part of that was watching the sunrise this morning. And then the exercise that follows this page looks like this. It says your ideal date. What would an ideal date look like to you? Fill in the following points about place, time, duration, the clothes you're wearing, the food you're eating, the drink in your glass. Like, I decided like that's what I'm gonna execute today, following this little exercise I wrote out. So let's get going.
Understand the things I've been given in life aren't there, and everything seems against me all the time. I don't know how to stand up, but I've got faith in myself and all of the things I do. I don't need no one else to tell me what you want to, just do what you want, yeah. Just do what you want to. You know that you want to realize all of the things your life can do. You will be left behind, swept up by the storm of those you love. If you don't realize.
There is a man from his house watching me out his window, and I hate it. And then there's women over there having the chat of the century. So as much as I wanted to be alone, I can't. This is so awkward. I feel like I should be enjoying this more, but it's so awkward. I hope they think I'm waiting for somebody. Joke's on all of us. Me, myself, and I. Here is my wonderful view. Oh, there's some people that were just talking. I wanted to sit over there because there's actual grass, but people showed up too, so we love that. Anyway, still pretty. the sun's officially down, and I'm almost thankful because I feel like I'm getting so stared at, and this is not the point of this exercise. I need to embrace this. Actually, the world needs to embrace taking yourself on a date, being alone. I shouldn't feel like a loser. I should feel cool. People should be like, oh, she can hang out. I don't know. Okay, my preaching, I don't have any more words to preach, but my point is that people should admire others for being able to spend time alone. With time and practice, hopefully this will get easier. And it was definitely cute and fun. I'm not gonna lie though, I would have been happy if somebody else was with me, but I feel like this was good. So I don't think that family's watching me anymore. So here's my fun picnic. I made a TikTok while I was out here, if you guys want to look at that. That's all. Dating myself. Me, myself, and I. Haha. Okay, bye.
You got two on me. Blood gang, yeah, two on me. Detrimental. Me and Glock all on your instrumental. I kill it.